Purpose of this video is I wanted to reach out to people that I knew that understand marketing, that understand, maybe they've seen other network marketing opportunities. And I think everybody's dream is to have a home-based business. And most of these home-based businesses, you're never home. So it's almost like an on-the-road circus show business. And everybody says everything is simple in the industry until you have to take 10 steps, 15 steps, 20 steps to get paid when it comes to these home-based businesses. And then it becomes a lot more complicated. You've already invested a lot of money. So what I want you to do, because I know you, or maybe you're just looking at this, I want you to just test drive this system, because this system is the simplest system I have ever seen. It's the most duplicatable, and it works for you. It works for you. And so I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about what I know about internet marketing and network marketing and how those two things actually come together. So I know a lot of information about internet marketing. I know how to get people ranked on Google. I know how to build landing pages. I know all this stuff, but it doesn't really mean a whole lot for you if you don't know how to do that. One of the biggest things is duplication. So what really impressed me with this company is their system. Their back-end system was developed by people that understood how to get technology to actually work for you in your own benefit. Most, internet marketing, you can test results. And so I was flown by one company that's almost $1 billion company. I was flown into that office and they said, we want to do internet marketing. So what I did was I basically contacted people at Google that I have relationships with. And I said to those people, hey, let's test some marketing on the landing page. How is this relevant? When you guys are in network marketing companies, a lot of times you guys get a landing page or you get like a free website or whatever you want to call it. But a lot of times that website and that landing page does not work. So if you wanted to advertise, and let's just say you were going to put a landing page or you were going to put that website in front of 1,000 people that you knew, you would want that website to work, right? So what I did was I basically spent $2,000 and I drove all this traffic from Google Ads to the landing page of this company. And when I was on the phone with Google, they said, hey, can we drop a tracking code into the web page so that we can see like who visits the site and track conversions and how many leads we get and where those leads come from. And the company said, no, we don't have that ability to actually do it with the website. So you can't run your website like a traditional business. If you want to spend money on advertising, you'd just be guessing in the dark. So anyway, we ran $2,000 in ads and we drove all this traffic that was related. We had them write ads. These are people at Google. And we sent the traffic directly to this landing page. And guess how many people actually put in their information to get more information? Like out of 2,000 people that actually went to the site, not one person put their information into the form or was interested in more information just based on landing on the website. So that's the first thing, is that most of these companies out there, they put lipstick on these websites and you get a website. But if you send that website out to people, it typically will not work. Most of these businesses are built on relationships and people that you know. Most of these companies, even though they're $1 billion company, their landing page, their distributor links do not work. If you were to actually spend money and send $2,000 a day sending people to that landing page, it would not work. That says a lot about these companies. They want to grow, but why don't they invest money in a system that will help you make more money? Because if you make more money, you're excited, right? So a lot of these so-called systems and websites that these companies have, they're not set up to actually generate results for distributors, right? So people say they know everything about network marketing, but sometimes knowing everything, you miss out on the opportunity to learn new information. So what I want to ask you guys to do is, in the link that I include in this email, all I want you to do is just put in your first name, your last name, your email. I don't want you to sign up in this business. I just want you to look at a system that actually will work for you. I want you to check your emails, right? Because you're going to get emails from the system of people that are joining your team and you're not even in the system. You haven't paid any money. You haven't signed up as a rep. And you know what? If you're doing a company or you have a business, focus on your business, but educate yourself and look at this system, because this system is amazing. And I've been in marketing for the last 20 years. I've been in a couple of network marketing companies. And I can tell you that this is the system that I wish every company out there had to create work and momentum when I wasn't available, when I was busy having dinner with my family, when I was out watching movies or taking a vacation or doing things that are fun. I wish that we had a system like this. So I want you to put your information in, because you can know everything but know nothing. So put in your information. The other thing I understand is that when you talk to people in life, in relationships, in business, and you communicate, communication equals love. So the more communication, the more love, the more connection that you have with people that you're working with. I was blown away by this system because all I did was I put in my email into a link that I'm going to give you guys. I put my first name, my last name, and my email address and my phone number. And as I watched my inbox, and I'm going to show you what came into my inbox, it's pretty cool. So here's my inbox, and I went and I basically put in my email on March 30th, okay? On March 30th, I got an email that basically said, thanks for taking a look at My Daily Choice, okay? So then, when we went to the next thing, it said, Hugh, you have 5 more people that have joined you. And I'm like, wait a second. I just put my email into the link, and I've already had 5 people join me? Now on April 1st, which is the day after the 30th, Gary joined my team and signed up. Now, I was like, who's Gary? And he signed up already, right? So here I am down here on April 2nd. The next day, I had 62 more people join my team. Right here. Here on April 3rd, it said Thursday is the last day, Hugh. Now I'm thinking, I'm like, wait a second. I have all these people on my team, 62 people that came onto my team within 48 hours, 72 hours. And I'm like, what is this? So I became curious. And so it says my team is still growing, right? So I go into this email, and it's basically saying, here's all these paid affiliates, all these people that paid, that joined my team. Now here's the key. I didn't pay any money to get into this business. All I did was I put in my email. I put in my email, and I basically got a list of all these people that have pre-enrolled that I sent links to. The other thing that impressed me was that I could actually see how many people actually have looked at my site. So these are web hits and people that enrolled and then people that upgraded. And I was like, wow, that's really impressive. Like, I can't see that on any other landing page of any company that I've been a part of over the last 20 years, right? So basically, as these people are signing up and enrolling, they come into my inbox, right? So these are all the emails since March 30th of all these people that have basically opted into my site. And I'm like, wait a second, wow, this works really, really cool, right? So I want you to think about that. I mean, all this communication is more communication than I even get from people that are in my family, right? So here I am, I'm getting all these ding, 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 ding. I mean, how would you feel if you didn't sign up in a company? You could take people to take a test drive. They don't have to pay any money. And now they get to see people that would be on their team, and they're not even in the business yet. So I wasn't even in the business. I didn't sign up. I had all these people that were like, you have 62 affiliates, you have 150 affiliates. And I was like, you know what? Maybe I should just order the product just to try it, right? So I ordered the product to try it. And I just got it. It's a great product, but I'm just saying I wasn't interested in buying the product. I wasn't interested in joining the team. And what's amazing is I shared the link with somebody. What's amazing is that I shared the link with somebody and I told them, don't buy it. Don't sign up. Just take it for a test drive. It's the best system that I've ever seen. And I mean, everybody can use extra money. Geez, I'm in Los Angeles. It costs a couple $100,000 just to survive in the city. Everybody wants to make extra money. But the key is a system that works for you. So I didn't want to sign up, but I was going to buy the product anyway. So what I did was I ordered the product and then I sent the link to a friend of mine who's actually up in Northern California, and I told her, don't sign up. An hour later, I basically get a thing that she signed up. And I'm like, I didn't tell her to sign up. I didn't do a three-way call. I didn't convince her to sign up. In fact, I told her, don't order anything. Don't sign up. And she orders something and signs up. So I called her up. She's like, well, the pricing was good and I figured I'd try it. And I'm like, wait a second. I didn't even talk to you. I did not even try to convince you about the business. I just asked you to look at the system. Because the system, if you're in a network marketing company right now, it would be stupid for you not to look at this system and look at how it's set up, because it's the key. It's the absolute key to how to create momentum without you doing a ton of meetings. And that's the key, is to have your business work when you're not working. In most network marketing companies, it only works when you push it. It's like a wet noodle, right? So I didn't want to sign up, and then this person that I told not to sign up, she signs up. And then the day after that, she's got somebody on her team in London, somebody in Australia, a doctor. She's got all these people that are coming on board who I haven't even talked to. They're just using the link. And that is smart. And I'm where I am, right? So I encourage you to just put your information into the link that I provided in this email, or if you see this on my social media, and just take a look at it and just look at the system, because I've never seen anything else like this system before that is well thought of. I know people that have paid to be in systems or set up landing pages. Like, there's a ton out there where people pay a ton of money, but they still have to set it up. So take a free test drive, try it for free. If you want to order this stuff, great. If you don't want to order it, great. But look at the system, because the system is the key, and it's already set up for you. So it sends emails for you. It follows up for you. It basically tells you when people have joined your team. You can see statistics. You can look to see there's different landing page options depending on what you want to market, right? So it's like everyone is specific to whatever your target is. And there's statistics. You can generate source codes if you want to run Facebook ads. I mean, I ran a Facebook ad literally for $15, and I got 5 leads off of Facebook. And I didn't even take that much time setting up the ads. That's unheard of in network marketing. Try spending $100 on your own landing page from your own company and see how many leads you actually get off your landing page. I can guarantee you it won't be 5. So you have to think smart. Don't work hard, but work smart. And if you're interested, like I said, just take it for a test drive. Look at it. I just want to make this video because I'm excited about the system of what this company has for the average person that doesn't like talking to people and doesn't like doing three-way calls and doesn't like not being at home and wants to make money, you should really take a look at this. My name's Hugh Benjamin. Give me a call if you got my number, or just shoot me an email. Thanks a lot.